So many things I could do to these. Alcohol ink and pen on canvas. Then I glued it to this, and I've got to finish perfecting it, adding stuff to the middle. Then I'm gonna draw on it, and I'm gonna bling it, and then varnish it. Interesting. I do not know. And check it out. So I've done almost the whole thing and barely used any of this polish. So highly worth it. Was $1. $1. Right, that is one coat, and I still need to do the bottom. Voila. We found what was going on. So Posca paint pen over ink, alcohol ink. Looks normal right there, right? But check it out over this red. There's some kind of reaction going on with that fuchsia, because that is the same right there and the same right there. Wherever that fuchsia is, magenta, that happens. So it's not everywhere else, and it's not over the blues or anything, even the purples. It's that magenta. Boom, solved it. It's science. I'm pleased. And there's the one from last year. And here is the one from this year. go good together as a pair with my rainbow lava lamp.